In our fourth installment on financial viability, we look at this ratio known as the ROI, or return on investment. Now, business people use many useful ratios to assess the health and feasibility of a certain venture. This is one of them. The formula for ROI is net profit over total assets, and in our Powchin example, we discovered in the previous slide that our total investment is 110, with capex at 50 and opex at 60,000. Let's suppose this is a prepaid expense. So let's plug it into the formula. ROI is equivalent to 220 over 110. That yields 2 times 100 equals 200%. Meaning to say, for an investment of 110, more or less after 5 or 6 months, you will get 200% return for a period of 6 months. ROI, however, is normally expressed in annual terms. So here's the relationship of ROI to payback. If you say that a certain business has a return or ROI of 20%, that means you would recoup your investment after 5 years. Okay? 20% during the first year, 20% during the second year, third year, fourth year, and fifth year. On the other hand, if you say that a certain business has an ROI or return of 50%, that means you would recoup your investment after 2 years. So the first 50% during the first year and the next 50% during the second year. Better still, if you have an ROI of 100%, which means you will recoup your investment within 1 year's time. So the higher the ROI, the better the growth rate, the better the business is.